Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will, back to you with another video. Super excited today because we're going to do a real quick video today just to kind of show you my setup, show you some of the things that I have, what I use on a daily basis. And then definitely at the end of the video, I kind of tell you about some things that I want to get to add to the setup and stuff. But before we get into this video, if this is your first time here, welcome. Here, we do everything tech, all things tech, whatever it is, we like to do it. And man, if you are a returning viewer, I appreciate you the most because you keep everything going. So without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, guys, so with the setup today, the first thing on the list is my baby. Man, this is the Asus PG279Q, beast of a monitor, 1440p panel, IPS display, has great color accuracy, great brightness, the vibrance. Gaming on this monitor is amazing. It has a native 144 hertz panel, 165 hertz that is overclockable to. As you can see, it has the red RGB. And over to your left here, we have two of the MSI Optics 24 Max C. And man, these are great 1080p gaming monitors. They are 144 hertz and they are adaptive sync. I got these monitors for a great price at Micro Center, $159 a piece. And I got the Asus PG279Q for a little bit over $500 from Amazon. And man, I will be putting links in the description below if you would like to check these out. You know, if you want to purchase them, they are affiliate links with Amazon, no extra cost to you. But when you do purchase through the links, they do help out the channel. So we have the Xbox gaming remote control here. I only use that for certain games when I don't want to use a mouse and keyboard. We have the JBL Bluetooth speaker. This is the Charge 4. I love that thing. It comes with USB-C and I think the battery life is definitely like over 20 hours or something like that. We got the smaller Bluetooth speaker. We got some camera equipment here. We have the Corsair. I got a lot of Corsair stuff, and this is not a Corsair video, but just so I happen to have the Corsair RGB keyboard. This is the K55 RGB keyboard, and as you can see here, the RGB Harpoon mouse, and then my gaming headset is the HS50 from Corsair. And then we got this beast of a computer right here. If you don't know about now, this is Knight Rider. And the case that we have here is the Corsair 500D SE RGB. On the front, we have the 3 LL120 fans that come with the case. On the back, it's also a LL120. I purchased that separately. And if we open up the glass here, you can see the inside of Knight Rider. And man, we got the star of the show. Get it? Star of the show. If you haven't seen my video of the Gigabyte Aorus 2080 Ti Extreme, this is one hell of a card, man. I'm not going to go into the detail of specs and stuff like that, but just take a look at the video. Should see a card pop up at the top of the screen somewhere. You can be able to check that video out. Also, I have a playlist that shows me building this beast of a computer, so you could definitely check that out too. It does come with 32 gigabytes worth of G.Skill 3200 megahertz memory. And I know it's not RGB, but it's coming. And the AIO, as you can see here, is the H115i Platinum RGB. Man, my system does come, and you know, we got the Darth Vader. Get that action, Darth Vader. And we also got a little bit of action in the back there. I actually utilize 4 SSD drives. I have the 500 gigabyte 970 Evo NVMe drive. I have the 250 gigabyte 970 Evo Plus. And then I have a Crucial P1 1 terabyte hard drive that I use for gaming. And then I have an additional 500 gigabyte SSD drive from SanDisk that I use for additional storage for gaming as well. Man, I plan on getting a 2 terabyte NVMe drive to kind of replace all that for gaming. So definitely just keep an eye out on that, because I'm searching. I'm in the looks for some couple of things here. But I also have an 850 watt EVGA power supply to help power everything. And then of course the beast of a processor, 9900K, overclocked to 500 gigahertz on all cores, is taking care of business. And all of this sits on the Gigabyte Aorus Ultra Z390 motherboard. So super excited about that. All right, so we got the little friend here. We got the Logitech C922 Pro. Man, one of the best webcams that's on the market right now, for definitely for the price. The only thing better is the Logitech Brio, which is 4K. This is 1080p 30 frames per second, but it also does 720p 60 frames per second. So man, definitely it's a major go. Gotta have that on the team. And these are some of the new additions to the family. And this is, of course, well, I already had the actual Blue Yeti microphone, but I actually now have this on a Radius 2 shock mount. And then we had the Blue Compass boom arm, and that's just to make sure that all the audio comes out good, no vibrations, no noise and stuff like that. And then we have the light of the show, the Elgato key light. Love that key light. You know, you could actually control this through apps and Wi-Fi and all that good stuff. I could change the color temperature, change the brightness and everything. Hey, let's check out the actual Elgato green screen. So check out how dope this is. So yep, we got the green screen in the box. And as you can see, this actually goes up to about 6 feet high. But yeah, that's the setup, y'all. Man, I hope you enjoyed the actual quick video today. Again, we are going to be doing regular uploads every Thursday, along with the C-Wheels Tech Tuesdays on every Tuesday. And then we're also going to start streaming on YouTube gameplay every Sunday night. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure that you hit subscribe. Definitely hit the like button and hit the bell so you receive all my notifications. Man, one of the things that I definitely want to add to the setup is the Elgato Stream Deck. I want to get another Elgato key light because I love these lights. You can definitely control them through Wi-Fi and apps and stuff like that. I want to get monitor arms for the two 1080p monitors that I have. So those are the next couple of things that we got going. And I also want to upgrade my processor and my motherboard to the AMD Ryzen 3950X or the 3900X. Not 100% sure on which one just yet, but I do want to get the 3950X, which releases next month in November. It's going to be 16 cores, 32 threads. If you haven't seen my tech news video that I just did on this past Tuesday, definitely check that out. I go a little bit into more about why I need that type of processor and that type of horsepower. But man, I see you all in the next video.